Hello, good morning, guys. Here on a different work. This day we're gonna redo the day, make it look really nice, guys. So stick around for this. This should be a good one. Got Michael here, Shamar here, taking out the bench. We're gonna change the color. Hopefully, the customer happy with what we do. And yeah, we're gonna add a stepstone right there. Nothing too much, guys, but you know we're gonna get to work, guys. Probably will get to the next one. I'll come back.
Dia mana okay. Here guys, we're gonna use back this baseboard. So we're gonna use it back over here and this side that you just pull off. So there's Shamar taking out the nails and stuff, cleaning up the board. Yes.
Yes, guys, we did all the work, guys. Been a long day, changed a lot of boards. So just going easy, guys, and probably just call it a day soon. And tomorrow company already. You know we come from our way there right now. Pretty enough a lot of work. So don't worry, I call it a day soon. I guess tomorrow come again and work. So they're starting the next section over there. Done. Probably gonna coat it one more time. We can try and coat it again, guys. So let him go and work, guys, and watch him and enjoy himself, you know. So yes, guys, we finished the deck now. Can look fresh and nice. Board Pickering Boys landscaping. Deck done, guys. Everything nice. So you don't know, we go to work, you know, guys. Look nice. Let's tell more, you know, thing. Comment and rate this job, guys. You don't know. Yes, sir.